Hey, Dr. Robinson. This is Ashton here to show off my ultrasonic sensor driver working for the most part. So, as you can see here in Vivado, I've got this thing synthesized, implemented. I was able to get it down to my board. I was able to generate the bit stream and program the device. As you can see here, it's programmed, and I'll actually show you the circuit and what it's doing. So here is my test circuit. As you can see, I've got the FPGA connected to the ultrasonic sensor, and I've also got the ultrasonic sensor connected to an Arduino. So what I've got going on here is I've got the FPGA triggering the ultrasonic sensor, and I've got both the FPGA and the Arduino reading the ultrasonic sensor at the same time, and I'm comparing the results. And then I've been using that little dryer sheet box to actually set known distances and see what the Arduino and the FPGA are giving me. And for short distances, I've got pretty good results. I'll demonstrate that here in a second, but for long distances, I'm getting some error, and I will still have to troubleshoot that before Friday. So let me do a very short distance example here and show you this thing actually working. Give me a second here to set up. Okay, so right here, I've got this dryer sheet box at about 5¼ inches away from my ultrasonic sensor. With the way I've hard-coded this thing, and with some tests that I've done that made me realize some things about how I've hard-coded this, let's see here. I've got it in an Excel sheet, and I'll submit this Excel sheet with my video demonstration. So, if I am 5¼ inches away, then my Arduino should give me, something pretty close to that range. I wasn't getting terrible error here at short distances. And my LEDs should flash 0, 1, 0. So this is just the distance that the LEDs recognize as 0, 1, 0. So let me show you it actually doing that. So I've got everything pretty manual here right now for testing. So every time I take a measurement, I've got to reset my circuit here. So flip reset low, then flip it high again. And then I just press the enable switch. So coming over here to the Arduino readings, let's see here. So based on the Arduino readings, it's actually saying that it's 6.03 inches away. So coming over to my table, 6.03, that should actually give us 0, 1, 1. And that is in fact what the LED is showing, is 0, 1, 1. So it's probably my bad. I probably just didn't measure out that distance correctly, and that's why it's doing this. But yeah, there we go. That's a short demonstration of it working at short distances. At long distances, essentially what's happening is my error from the Arduino, I was able to work that out. It's increasing a little bit, but I'm able to work it out. But my FPGA is stuck in 110. It keeps flashing 110, even if it's at a timeout distance when it should be flashing an RGB LED instead. It gives me this. So that will be the next thing I try and troubleshoot. But yeah, here we go. As you can tell, since my Arduino is getting readings pretty close to the actual distances, except for when I've made short errors, this FPGA is actually accurately triggering the device, and since it's getting distance readings that line up with the Arduino, for the most part at short distances, that makes me think that it's doing pretty well. The FPGA is getting similar distance readings to the Arduino. But yeah, this will be the end of my video demonstration. Thanks.